Almighty League Productions.
Some mad bumper class girl doing. Hey girl, you're mad girl. Remember me telling you. You're a mad bumper class girl. You need psychiatric evaluation.
Hey, Aquaman on the track, man. Hey.
ATL with another.
Let's get it. Whoa. Hey.
I be riding around. Sit down. Ride around. Sit down. Ride around. Ride around. Hey. Hey. Hey.
Hey. When you feeling lonely, you can call me on my phone. Yeah, my wrist so froze, these niggas call me Frozone. I ain't talking Bama, but I just took her home. She wanna go to Bruce, but you know I ain't no cone. You know I be running around, and you know I'm feeling humble. I don't never smoke, you know I just stay sober. My bars never been colder than the freezer. It be so hot that I walk with a heater.
I be riding around. Sit down. Ride around. Sit down. Ride around. Ride around. Hey. Hey. Hey.
I'm riding around bumping Jesus music, cause boy, I'm out here getting it. I hear the haters talking, but I'm built F-150. Pimpin', I'm a homie, we ride around with a clip in. Just because I'm a Christian, don't mean you gon' catch me slipping. Ride around with Aquaman, ATL beats, they made it happen. Ride around, sitting down, police watching us like we trapping now. All we doing is having a good time. Tick-tocking every time we get time. Ride, sit down, Google Duo or FaceTime.
Sit down.